I have been working on these bracelets for a little while, but I never came across anything. This is supposed to be a bracelet, but it's so perfectly symmetrical. And I mean, it looks like to me, like a lightning bolt. It's friggin' perfect. I don't want to bend it because I feel like I'm going to ruin it. Does anybody have any ideas what I could do with it that wouldn't ruin it? Or just leave it as is? Could make a necklace out of it, but wouldn't be the same. Anyway, any ideas? Make some comments. I'll respond back to you. I'd appreciate the ideas. Thank you.